How to increase your mouse pointer size in macOS. If you want to increase the mouse pointer size or the cursor size on your macOS, you can currently see that my pointer is quite small, and for making tutorials I might need a big pointer just to showcase you everybody right here. Now for this, what we're going to do is we're going to open up settings. Now you might tell me that if you scroll down and you go to the mouse section, there you should be able to find pointer size, but unfortunately you can see we do not have the option to increase the size of our cursor. So instead what we have to do is just look for the accessibility option. Go to accessibility and go to display. Then simply scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see pointer. There you can see pointer size from normal, and then you can set it to any of the other sizes that you actually prefer, as you can see here. So you can see a couple of sizes that you can actually choose from. You can also choose to increase the size as well as also decrease it. I hope the video helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.